Magalong's independence, sir, that needs to be asked. While some laud your inclusion in the ICU, meron din pong nagtatanong regarding your independence because you are labeled to be a Duterte ally. Are you?
I understand their concern. No? I understand their concern. Dahil nga, nagtrabaho kay President Duterte and he appreciated my work, my performance. Does that make me an ally? Parang ganun ba? Hindi ba tayo nabigyan tayo ng mandate na mag-perform tayo and do a lot of extra miles when we perform our task. Kung in the same manner na during the time of President Noynoy, ganun din. Nagustuhan din nila yung mga trabaho ko. Ganun din dito kay President BBM. So, alam mo, every president has his own legacy. At tayo naman as a soldier, we simply follow orders and perform our task with the best of our ability. Kaya nagtataka ako bakit ile-label na lang ako na ganyan. But nonetheless, alam mo, malaki ang itulong sa akin ni President Duterte. In the same manner na ganun din yung naitulong sa akin ni President Pinoy. Alam mo, nakulong pa nga ako eh. And then it was during the time of President Noynoy na naka-recover ako. Pinomote niya ako ng 1-star, 2-star. But then here comes the Mama Sopano incident. And I simply have to do what is right.